Located about 30 minutes north of Panama City Beach lies Cypress Springs. Because of the surrounding area privately owned, the only way to reach this place is by boat. Our journey first starts at the boat dock, where a lot of the water was not clear. It was also a hot summer day with temperatures above the 90s. However, the water was cooler to the touch than the waters on the Emerald Coast of Panama City Beach. We made it to the spring, where there is abundance of clear water being fed from the spring below. Because of how cold the water actually was, I did some head bobs. This is typically an easy way for me to get acclimated to the water. The outer depths are about 25 feet deep, but a small opening can be penetrated to about 75 feet deep. Underneath the surface, you could see all the way down to the bottom, and all of it is blue. With the rope strung up high to a tree, swimmers are able to take a nice splash into the spring, including myself. Our tour guide demonstrated to us what was truly possible. Climbing a tree which looked about 20 to 30 feet in the air, he climbs up and takes a long dive into the spring. Our journey had started very early in the morning, which enabled us to beat the crowd. So, about the time of midday, there were a lot more people coming in, and definitely the spring was becoming much more crowded. People were coming in on kayaks and boats as well.
All right, how are you doing? Good. Great.
How cold's the water?
Plenty.
Plenty cold, huh?
Absolutely. Enjoy.
Around 70. 70?
Yeah.
Just like that, everybody starts showing up.
Right, I see. You called it.
On the way back, we took a look at some of the more shallow areas of the creek as well. So as we journeyed back from the spring, you noticed that the water definitely wasn't as clear as by the spring, but it was a great experience. We're coming back to a different boat dock where we're being returned back to our vehicles.
All right.
It was an awesome time. Thanks for watching.